Hi folks, here we are again. As we're doing a lot of Zoom virtual scout meetings and stuff, I thought using just a few simple things that we have in the house, we'll use these here to make a mobile phone stand. Now, simple things that you can do, you can use your Lego, for example, to create a wee backstop so that your phone will sit in there. There's your camera, everything works okay, you know. So we do stuff like that, or you can do maybe a wee bit more fun, and we'll just create another empty now. Maybe we'll put a couple of the Lego men gonna hold our phone for us. I'll put them there, move that there, and then as you can see, oh, hold on. There we go. And as I say, then when you look from the side, it looks as if the wee men are holding up the thing. I say they're very simple wee ideas and things that you can do. I say be as fun and creative as you want. Now, ones that I had done, if for example you've used your clothes pegs and maybe a couple of twigs, branches, you could use, if you have a bit of doweling rod or something like that there, you can certainly use the doweling rod, or even chopsticks that you get from your Chinese. So this one here is very simple. What we do is you line up your pegs like so and like so, and what you do is you get your wood glue and glue down that section there, stick them together, maybe wrap a bit of tape around them, or you could even hold them with in a binder, whatever. But you'll have to let that sit and dry. It takes a couple of hours. Same with that one. Once they're done, glue them back together. Okay, so then the four of them are all done. So you end up with something like this. Okay, what we do is then, when you get your wee branches, just cut maybe about 3 inches off it like that there. Stick it in so that it's about that there, about 1.5 to 2 inches showing, stuff like that there. Obviously there's a few I prepared earlier. Put these in. I say this one here, you can fold it away, flat pack it again whenever you're not using it. Obviously it sits like that, and then that goes like that, round, you can see. Okay, so that's another wee one. Now this one here, I say you can try, you have to ask your parents' permission first. Okay, so we get the fork, bend that one that way, that one that way, that one that way, that one that way. Now, what we try and do here is just fold, see, this over slightly, just so that the mobile phone has something to sit on. So when it sits like that, the mobile phone will sit like that. Okay, and I say bulldog clips that you use will work. You know, well, I know most use them work. Maybe some of your scout leaders might try it. These here are very good for making little designs with, stuff like that, because they hold the shape well. So for example, a simple one, it's just like that. Now that's sitting down a wee bit too flat for us, so maybe try a different configuration with it. Just put one in like that. It's not heavy. okay enough that side. There you go. But as you can see, there's a whole load of different designs that you can do. We can mess about with these, play with these, and to make just some funky wee designs. You know, you may as well, we're at these Zoom meetings every week, so you may as well have something nice to mess about with. And then obviously whenever it's sitting like that there, you can actually see the person who's talking, see the screen, they can see you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you all again next week. Thank you, God bless.